When building a tutorial or presentation, there's always time to make some fixes, to make touch-ups that your presentation needs. So I have decided to change our main image effect. Instead of drop, let's just see if that's the one. Yeah, let's choose the fade and move. And for the second slide, I will use an animation for the title itself. So let's use dissolve. Alright, so it will appear, and then let's just reorder the animation. So that will be number 1. Our get around will be number 2. Our image is number 3, and our arrows that describes the different toolbars will be number 4. Now, I didn't really like the way that the arrow showed, so let's change the animation. Let's see if drifting is not what I was expecting. This one looks a bit better. Fade and move. So let's choose this one. And let's start the whole presentation from start. Arrow, Keynote 101, Crash Course for Beginners. And now the main image shows up. It's much more delighting to see it shows from the left to the right. And we're starting the next slide, which is lesson 1. It actually shows from the black background. Get around, and now let's see our main image and our different arrows. So don't hesitate to make changes to your presentation. Challenge yourself. You will find it worth it.